how are we doing today? Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to turn your helmet into a Bluetooth stereo headset. No matter what helmet or what brand or what size you're wearing. This one is SMK helmet Blade series, and I've already put a Bluetooth device over here. The speakers are inside, and I'm going to show you step-by-step instruction on how to do that. You know, I like to listen to good music while I'm riding or driving or working out. I've got myself these earphones, and they were actually pretty good. No problem with them. Just you know, they kind of create this vacuum inside your ear, and you know, if a person wants to talk to you on the road, you know, you gotta take off the helmet and remove these. It's kind of pain in the ass. So yeah, it was pretty burst, and what I've got myself is these pairs of Ford headphones, and they pretty much cost around 150 rupees. You can buy them off on any local like computer shop or a mobile shop. What happened is that the speakers inside are working just fine, but their wire is gone kaput, and I'm gonna show you how to extract the headphones out of these and put them inside your helmet. Alright, so let me get started on this. You're gonna remove the foam on both of these. Now these headphones does not have any screws in them, okay? They have just standard locks. I'm just gonna remove them off like this. You see, you're gonna find something like this inside. Now these wires are soldered inside. We're gonna desolder them. All right, okay, let me just remove the other. So you're going to need a soldering iron, just like this one I've got over here. It's a 25-watt soldering iron, and we're just going to remove this. Alright, you're gonna repeat the same process for both of them. This one as well. This one is already out, the one pin is out, and the other one is over here. Alright, so you can see we have extracted these speakers out of these headphones, and there's no need to remove this speaker from this body. I'm just gonna chop off the outer portion, and I'm gonna just extract this only thing, this circular thing around. Okay, so we're gonna put this directly inside our helmet. All right, so this is pretty much useless right now. You can throw it off, and let me just grab my helmet. I'm gonna start by taking off the visor. Come on. All right. Okay, so now let me get rid of this foams as well. You can see we got these foams beneath it. We're going to remove it. There are some pretty good locks inside. Gonna unplug them. Right, it's out. There's still one lock left. I can't see. All right. Now you can see this helmet already has a space for earphones inside. You can see, let me show you right over here. You see this space? This one already had a space. Alright, if your helmet doesn't have one, you can make one. Okay, no big deal. And let me take off the other foam as well. Now you can see there's space for these speakers inside on both sides. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the speakers inside this. I'm using this cutter to chop off the outer portion of this. Just going to apply some fabric on the sides, just in case it doesn't wander off. What happens is that when the bass kicks in, this thing starts to vibrate crazy bad. No need to apply too much fabric. Let me just get both of them. Real nice. There you go. Alright, so we're done. And now we're gonna need a strip wire like this one. Alright, it's a, I don't know, 6 or 10 pin wire. I'm just gonna remove 2 out of these. As you can see, there are 2 wires. Let me just focus on it. And we're gonna solder them to the speakers, one of them. Alright, here we go. Okay, so now that we've got the wires inside, let me just mount it inside the helmet. Let me show you. Okay, so now you can see inside we've already got a right side headphone, and we've already obtained the wires. You can see over here it's coming from beneath the head cover, and we're gonna put the left headphone in there. But before we get to that, you're gonna need this product. It's called a 3.5mm jack. You can get it at any local electronics store. Alright, so let me explain the wires real quick. We've got 3 wires in here, okay, 3 pins, but we've got 4 wires, alright, from 2 different headphones, from the left one and the right one. So how do you put them? Alright, so what we're going to do is we're gonna obtain each wire from each headphone, and we're gonna short circuit them and put it right across this body. Alright, we're gonna short circuit them. It's called a ground wire. This third pin is the ground wire. This middle one goes to the left, and the right, this first one, it's the first pin, it goes to the right headphone. So what we're going to do is we're gonna obtain wire from each headphone, alright, and we're gonna short circuit them and put it right across this body. The remaining 2 we can put it over here. Alright, so I'm not gonna use this jack though, because let me show you, I've already got me one of these. This is a wire that I pulled out of some aux wire that I originally had. Now we got 3 wires over here. This one is common, this one goes to the left headphone, and this one goes to the right headphone. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to do the connections with this one. Alright, so we've got ourselves this left side speaker. Let me just solder the wires. Okay, so as you can see, we've got 3 wires over here. Now this one is ground common. Alright, so I'm gonna short circuit this with the wire coming from, one of the wire coming from the right side headphone. Alright, let me just give it a couple of rotations. Okay, it's done, and we're gonna solder it with one of the wires of with one of the pins on this speaker. Okay, so where's my solder? Alright, here we go. Alright, it's done. Now the remaining 2 wires, we got 1 pin over here and we got 1 wire over here. Okay, you should do the math, it's simple as that. The white one, I'm gonna join it with the wire coming from the right headphone. Let me just give it a couple of rotations. It's done. The right one, I'm gonna solder it over here. Let me do it real quick. Alright, it's done. Okay, so we've got 3 wires. As you can see, one of them, this ground wire, is been short circuited with each of the wires from different speakers, and the other wires, we'll just put it to the left and right signal wires. I'm just gonna apply a rail tape over here. Okay, so as you can see, the wires has been completed. We got ourselves 3.5mm jack, and we got both our speakers. Alright, let me just put the speaker right over here. Turn the wires upside down. And we're done. You can see we've got our both speakers, we've got the wire, and all we need is a Bluetooth device. And you can see it's done. It pretty much fits in there, no hassle. And we got ourselves a 3.5mm jack. All we need is a Bluetooth device. All right. Okay, so the setup has been completed. I put the phones back on, and this is what we got ourselves a jack. Let me show you. You can see the music is playing now. I'm not sure you can hear it. You can hear the music. Alright, so now there are a couple of options. You can either use one of these. This is pretty much available in the market. I don't use this. Okay, it's a pretty shitty quality. It's a pretty total and complete waste of money. You know, it's a single channel device and the audio quality is quite poor. I use this one. It's a Zook brand and it's pretty good quality. You can just plug this and connect it to your cell phone, and you can just stuff this inside your phone. All right, now remember, this one does not have a mic inside. All right, well, that's okay by me because I don't attend calls while I'm riding or driving. Okay, now it's a pretty good quality actually. The battery backup is quite good. It can last for 6 hours actually. The charging time is only like 15 minutes. So there are a couple of devices in the market, but you know, this is the device that's mostly common and available in the market. But don't use this one, guys. It's a mono, it's a single channel device, and audio quality is pretty shitty. Alright, so there were a couple of options. Let me show you. I've got it on my laptop. Of devices, that Bluetooth devices, don't buy this one as well. Okay, it's also a single channel device, and the audio quality is quite shitty as well, and the battery backup is quite poor. And what I've got myself is one of these. All right, you can see it's the same one, but it's better to buy this from a market because the price is not good. I've already got it from like for 650 rupees only. All right, so make sure to check the price as well. This is a fake price. And also one of these was available in the market. They was just simply plug and play, but their battery backup is quite poor. If you're continuously listening to the music, they won't last for more than like 2 or 3 hours. There was this one device, it's also available, but it's also a single channel, and you can use this one if you like to hear calls as well. Okay, if you want to talk while you're riding, you can use this one. It's pretty good quality. It's got mic, it's got a stereo channel, and it's also got a camera shutter sound sort of thing. You can see over here the buttons, this one right over here. So these are the devices you can use, but don't buy one of these or these. You know, they are single channel devices, pretty shitty quality. The mic is in there, but let me show you the one that I've got. I'm gonna use this one to pair up with my cell phone. All right, what I'm gonna do is you're gonna simply turn this on. You're gonna see a blue light over here. You see? Alright, so you're gonna go to your cell phone and turn on your Bluetooth. There's this device called this one. Alright, it has connected for all the media audio. And I'm gonna just plug this into our helmet. Let me turn up the volume. You can hear the music. It's pretty good actually. You can just stuff this thing inside your helmet, or you can use a 3M tape, you know, just to like put it over here or here. But I don't recommend it because these things aren't waterproof. All right. I'm gonna also show you how to like. I'm gonna show you the quality of this as well. All right. Let me turn it on as well. Bluetooth music is already being connected, and let me turn up the volume. Now you can. It's a mono device. The sound is coming from the center. All right, I don't recommend it. It's a pretty shitty quality, and the audio, the mic audio, you can barely hear yourself. All right, so I prefer this one, or you can just get yourself one of these Toretto brand. the one that I've shown you. You can use one of these. All right, it's gonna cost you like around 1200 from the market, but it's completely and totally worth it. My fellow rider is using these, and he's getting a pretty good result. They can last for like 6 or 7 hours. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put these things inside my car, and I'm gonna show you the sound quality test. All right, it's got quite a battery backup. All right, it can last for like 6-7 hours. It's got itself a 180 mAh battery. You can see over here. You can put a bigger battery if you want a bigger backup, you know, just like I did with my MP3 player over here. You can see it's a 1000 mAh battery. This thing can run all day long now. Like I said before, you know, I like to listen to music while I'm working out. So you can see this is the battery we've got inside, 180 mAh, and you can put a bigger battery. You can solder these wires over here, and I'm not gonna do that because you know, 6-7 hours, it's quite long enough for me. So I'm just gonna put it back over here, real nice. Okay, so let's just get back to car. Okay, so I'm in my car and I'm gonna try to use this product as well. You can see, let me just turn it on and plug this into my aux. And you know, there's a great difference between the quality of these two devices. You see, it's been connected for media audio. And let's just hit the play. You can see it's a stereo sound, and it's not mono like this device. I'm gonna put this as well. I'm gonna put this one as well. And hit the play.
Connected.
You can hear it. It's a single channel sound coming from the center. Alright, so that's how you add a Bluetooth device to your helmet and add speakers inside. And you know, I might have skipped something or anything else. You know, if you'd like to know, feel free to comment below. I'll be happy to answer. Alright, so thank you for watching this video, guys. Goodbye.